Today is our laundry day. We go to the local laundry by ankle. To the laundry.
Hi guys, good morning guys. Today we have plenty plans to do around Ubud. My husband wants to go to waterfall. I don't know what waterfall is that. After we saw to you guys. Now we plan to take our clothes to the laundry, have breakfast, and we go. Alright guys, don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.
8:30 in the morning. As you can see, beautiful sunny day, and everyone's busy going somewhere. No motorbike, no travel. So we're in Canggu, but the Berawa side. This road that we're on goes, to keep walking, goes all the way down to Berawa Beach. Actually, you keep walking past the Atlas Club, Pins Club, and you end up at Berawa Beach. Nice little walk. A little bit more footpath would help, but that is life. This is our famous little intersection. I don't know who gives way to who, but it's amazing how the traffic works. Well, here we go, look at this. After this, yes, we made it safely again. Sayang, how does it work? How does it work like this?
In Bali, when you find a way, just go. Don't wait for other people.
Oh my goodness. Lena's Kitchen. We had breakfast here the other day. It was very nice actually. I recommend it. But today
You go to one side.
we're going to go to which water? There you go.
Maybe we can walk there.
Huh?
We can walk. Come on, let's walk.
Okay, clear to.
Bote Brothers.
Huh?
Bote Brothers.
Yeah. All right, be back soon. Canggu laundry club. Very good. The ladies work hard, clean. I'm fresh fish. This is nice. Husband, big.
We go to barber store saya. Are they open? Oh, close. What? We have breakfast first. You say you want to have breakfast in Berawa Warung. Where's the Google map?
Oh, this is CrossFit in Canggu. It's always packed. People exercising, getting fit, staying fit. And where are we? We're at, read that, it's backwards, bacon. What are we having, Sayan? What are we having?
Latte and English tea.
English tea.
Yes, breakfast tea.
That's something else too.
And almond, guys. This is almond. We're also waiting for the latte and English breakfast tea. This one very nice. Have the almond. This is almond. And then horizon. But we're still waiting, guys. Until they come, then we can.
Very nice. People exercising there and we're just eating.